Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find modulus of elasticity using Trendline. We don't exactly have the proportional limit in this data, so I'm going to use the yield point to find the modulus of elasticity. So if you remember that our yield strength is in row number 242, so I'm going to copy this data till row number 242 over here. So the easiest way to do it is like this, and copy this, paste it over here. So like this, and this is my data, stress strain data till yield point. The yield point is in row number 242, so I'm going to go to G242. So here you can see the yield point 63.831, and all the data after that I'm going to select and I'm going to delete it. So now this data is from the starting point to the yield point. I'm going to go to insert. Again, I'm going to select scatter with smooth line and select data, add. I'm plotting data till yield point. I'm going to select the x value as strain, because I have to calculate the modulus of elasticity, and that we can do using strain, not strain percentage. So I'm going to select the strain data till yield point, and then for y you have to select the stress data till yield point. Click on OK. So this is the data that has been plotted till yield point. So I'm going to go to the chart elements. I'm going to go to the trend line, select more options. I'm going to select the linear line. I'm going to set the intercept as 0, and I want to display the equation on the chart. Close this. So this is the equation of this line. So this is basically a linear equation. Our y-intercept is 0. So in y is equal to mx plus c, if the y-intercept is 0, c equals to 0. And the slope of this line is 31248. So this is the modulus of elasticity of this test specimen. So here I'm going to write 31248 KSI. So this is the modulus of elasticity of this steel specimen.